Okay, so I have a tip for you. It's in cursor. I have a rule right here that says anytime a user mentions ending or wrapping up a current session, it should create, you know, a file like a session summary. And it's pretty simple. It just creates like a oh, this is incorrect, but okay. It creates like an overview of the like the stuff that we've done and where to place the files, and how to write the files and whatnot. And it's just like this is what you should do to summarize. And then it creates like a session file right here. I have a folder called sessions, and it's instructed to find this folder and add like the last one here, like add a new number. And so it's pretty good. It's getting the date right. It's stating the main goal. It's referencing the files that we've used. Some improvements. So this is a really nice thing to have when, like, 4 hours. I think that's actually pretty accurate. And so what I do is I just go like, let's wrap up this session, and it starts. It finds that the last one was 33, so it starts on 34, and it just gives me like a wrap up like this. And if I start a new session, I then say something like, let's start by reviewing our last session. And then there's a starting session memory that says, do this. Like, this is a fairly simple one. It says, find the latest one and go through it thoroughly and ask questions. And, this could probably be improved on and could probably make it better. Maybe it should be like this. I don't know why is it giving me a hard time. Well, doesn't matter. And so I say, let's start by reviewing the last session, and it will go and do that. So, and it just references there you go, and it'll read that. And it starts us off kind of where we were ish. So I don't have to go like, this is what we did, da 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 da. And I think this is a really useful little hack for me. Anyhow, this works quite well, and there's a few hours of code here. So only spent like a few tokens for the summary, and apparently it's at 14%. I think that's kind of doesn't sound right, but okay. So, good luck.